back in the car again. Hi guys! This week my grandparents are coming to town and I'm very excited. They're going to be staying with Hugo and I. But I realized that I don't have like basic things for a guest at my home because we never have guests. So we're on our way to Walmart right now to get like a shower curtain because I just have the fabric one, not like the clear one that like keeps the water out. Pillows, new sheets, you know, the essential. Also, I'd like to report back to you guys about this Palm antioxidant super tea that I showed you in my last weekly vlog. This is the pomegranate honey green tea and it tastes really good, but it tastes very florally. I don't know how to explain it. Like I'm drinking a flower, but in the best way. I like it. Okay, we just got home. I actually got some good pillows. Walmart honestly actually has really nice pillows for really cheap. So I got 4 pillows, some new towels, the shower liner thing. And then I'm going to order some new sheets off Amazon because ours aren't just, they're not very soft. But anyways, we're home. We're going to make some veggie flautas for dinner and I'm excited. I'm hungry. I put our poblano peppers in some oil with some salt and pepper and Hugo is going to make some beans. Just mashing the beans. Looks real delicious. For tortillas, we're using these ones. They are low carb flour tortillas. I actually really like these. They taste really good. Hugo really likes these ones. I like these ones too, but I've been trying to be a little bit better about eating less carbs, so going for these. Coating my tortilla with all the beans. I'm going in with some peppers. Yum. And some cheese. Wow. Hugo's rolling it up because I didn't know how.
That's it. That's it.
What the heck? Why didn't you just tell me to do that?
That sizzle. Hailie working away.
Looks kind of ugly. Nice.
All done.
They look like those Taco Bell grillers.
That's what it is. We made Taco Bell grillers.
Hell yeah. Veggie versions. Okay, the best part is the Trader Joe's jalapeno sauce. This stuff is so freaking good. We dip it in like everything. It's so good. But here's what we got. We got some chips and the HEB guac. It's so good. Last time we had these, we made like pico and like avocado salsa and sour cream and it was really good, but we have the Trader Joe's this time, so I think we're fine. But the stuff is so good. It's so easy and it's delicious. Hi guys, good morning. Today we are taking this cute little lady to the groomers because her nails are so long, so she's gonna get a nail trim and a little bath and a little haircut. But she's so cute. Hi Speed. Oh my god. Why are you perfect? Usually we like to take Aspen and Boba together so that they can be together. They feel a little bit more comfortable. It's just easier to take them together. But Boba is not ready to get groomed yet, so we are taking her alone and I'm so sad because Boba's at home right now and he's so sad. All right, here's our little before.
Very sweet. I like to sit down a lot. And I'm like, I'm trying to trim your butt.
You sweet thing. Look who it is. She has little Halloween bows. One for you and one for you. So freaking cute. Tonight we're making spaghetti. All right, the sauce is simmering. We're using the Gardein Ultimus Beefless Ground. This is one of our favorites.
It's good.
Put our Texas toast in the air fryer. So freaking good, you guys. I'm excited. And voila, she's done. It looks so good.
It does.
I love spaghetti. Hi guys, good morning. I am about to go pick up my grandparents. I wanted to give you an update on how the guest bedroom turned out. It's very cute. This is Boba's like everyday spot, so he's vibing. But I got this purple sheet set at IKEA. Okay, sir, that is not yours. He is convinced that this little baby Yoda that ColourPop sent us is actually his dog toy, but no. So anyways, this little purple duvet cover and pillow set is from IKEA. I really love the color. And then I just have basic white sheets underneath. Also, since we're talking about Baby Yoda, I have to show you the palette the ColourPop sent over. I didn't even know they were coming out with this collection, but this is seriously the cutest thing ever. The package is ridiculously adorable, and the palette is actually really, really nice, especially for fall. Like, these are beautiful shades. Okay, I also did get one more exciting package that I want to open up before I leave, so let's do that now. I got this big package from Murad, and I am so excited. I already kind of looked at what's going on in here. It's the holiday gift sets, but the presentation is truly very nice. Look how cool. So Murad sent over a bunch of holiday gift sets, and there is such a variety of options this year. They have like full-size ones over here, mini travel size ones, and I am so excited. I really love Murad skincare. Hugo loves Murad skincare. So my favorites, I don't see the little spray that I like in here, but I do really like this environmental shield serum and the, I don't know if it's in here, the oh, this one, the rapid age spot correcting serum. So good, you guys. So pretty excited about this. This line is also really great. The multi-vitamin infusion oil I like to do before makeup. It makes my skin so glowy. Okay, seriously, this is too precious. I can't get over it. Hi guys, I have not been able to check in with the vlog since my grandparents got to town, so I just wanted to say hello. I've just been hanging out with them and spending time with them. They're currently at my mom's, so Hugo and I are going to IKEA, honestly, just to get out of the house. We don't really need anything, but
I need dinner.
All right.
Chicken tenders for me.
At IKEA?
At IKEA.
All right, and it's IKEA meal.
Hey, they got good macaroni.
It's really all we have going on, not much. I would just like to say that we get to move in like 3 months. I'm so excited.
I feel like that's all I think about.
Literally all day long, I think about moving. I want to pack the house. I know it's way too early. Is it? I can really just start packing.
I know, honestly, I think we should start.
I think we should start packing. We could get boxes. Okay, after my grandparents leave, we are packing up the house. I want it out of my face. I want it ready to go. I want to move so freaking bad. So yeah, that's all I think about. That's why we're not really getting anything at IKEA right now, because we're moving, and there will probably be a lot of IKEA trips next year. It's not really a super exciting week for the vlog. It's Halloween and we're not even gonna do anything this week.
We're getting a pizza. We are getting a pizza.
Every year for Halloween I get the Papa Murphy's jack-o'-lantern pizza. It's very cute. I'll show you when we get it. But
we're getting the combo.
What is the combo?
It was the cookie dough.
Oh, okay. We're getting the combo.
We're getting the combo.
That sounds fabulous. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, happy Halloween. Today I am going to our house to see the construction progress, and I'm taking my grandparents and my mom and my sister because nobody has seen it yet, and we're gonna go check out the progress. I'm so excited. Hugo and I aren't really doing anything for Halloween, so we're just kind of having a chill little day, hanging out. Later I think we're gonna order some pizza and watch some movies and call it a night. We just got to our house to see all of the construction progress on it. This is the first time that my family is seeing how it looks like with the house, with the walls up and everything, so pretty exciting. Hugo and Papa are in the kitchen checking it out. Very nice. I'm going up the stairs.
That's a good view too.
Beautiful views.
Nice big windows.
Yes. What do you think?
I love it.
It's so nice.
Yes, I think you made a very wise choice. I think it's great size for you guys. I just want babies.
Oh my god, Grandma. Just finished up at the house and now we're going to Target. I feel like we're always at Target, but Hugo actually needs something this time. But I wanted to tell you guys, we had stopped at my old old house, our old house that we lived at about like 2 years ago. And we went because my grandma had ordered something from Amazon and she ordered it to that address instead of our new address. So we went to pick it up and they had a stack of my PR packages that were delivered today. And so I'm just like, how many of my PR packages have they received in like the 2 years that we haven't lived there? So it's really kind of frustrating, to be completely honest, because when I moved, okay, we were driving next to my mom and my grandparents, and I don't know if they can see us. Anyway, it's really frustrating when I move because it's really hard to contact all of the brands that send me product, and it ends up just being shipped to my old house because I don't have a new contact, and some brands are just really hard to get in contact with. And I've tried multiple times to like DM them, email my old contacts. People are constantly changing in like brands, like as their like social media people, they're constantly like rotating out new people. So often I have old contacts that no longer work there, and everything just keeps getting shipped to the old address. So once we get home, I will unbox some of those packages and see what we got, and then I can figure out what brands are sending stuff to that house still. Okay, hi, I'm going to unbox all of the packages that were sent to my old address. If you are for some off chance reason one of the brands that I'm about to unbox, please message me. So the first package is from Solazoo. I am definitely butchering that name, but it came in this really pretty velvet case. So in here they sent their activating serum and a renewing cream. So I actually have tried this one before, this serum, and I really like it, but I haven't tried the renewing cream, so I need to check that out. The next package is from Dermalogica, and I actually just got in contact with someone from Dermalogica, so I will be receiving these to the correct address now, which I'm very excited about because I really like Dermalogica skincare. So they sent, it looks like, some old favorites in here. Makeup routine must-haves. There's the special cleansing gel, Skin Perfect primer, I really like that one, antioxidant Hydrobus, I don't think I've ever tried this, Hydro Blur primer, and the pre-cleanse, which I really love. It is one of my favorite makeup removers. So thank you, Dermalogica. Next, I actually got 2 boxes from KVD Beauty. They sent over quite a few things. So in one, there's these Dazzle sticks. There's a few shades in here, and these are just, what are they, long wear eyeshadows, so like maybe a liquid eyeshadows, but there are some fun shades in here. I think these will be pretty for the holidays. And then in the next one, they sent over lashes, which I'm very excited to try. These ones are pretty dramatic. Love those. And a palette. Here's what the palette looks like. The colors are pretty, but this packaging is like pretty like light. It feels like really flimsy, like cardboard packaging. I don't love the packaging, honestly, but the colors in here are kind of fun. And then the last package is from Kimchi Chic. In here there are, what are these, bronzers? Love this packaging. So cute. That is so intense. Okay, now I have to see what the packaging on these look like. Okay, these are way too cute. The little heart components. 02 and 03. These are so freaking cute. This one is called I Went to Venice. Here's what the shade looks like. But there's a few of these, and then the contour shades. I just really like the little hearts. But yeah, that is all of the packages. Wait, actually there's one, but this one was actually sent to my mom's address. This is from Bondi Stan. All of my packages just kind of go everywhere. I have packages that go to my mom's address still, which I haven't lived at my mom's in like 4 years. I have packages that go to my old apartment that I haven't lived at in forever. That's just a lost cause. I'm never getting those. And then the packages that go to my old house, which hopefully we can get that under control. But this one's from Bondi Sands. Oh yay, I love this. This is one of my favorite self tanners. This is the Aero like foam tan. What's it called? Aerated self tanning foam quick dry formula, ultra dark. And then they sent over a little flashlight. Okay, well, it doesn't work very well. But anyways, there are all of the PR boxes that were sent to the wrong address. I have 2 here that were just delivered today. I'll unbox those that were sent to like my actual house. I just got some new nails from Tracey. This one, oh, okay, so these are like the smaller size, like the normal size. There's like a cute little French tip one, and it's hard to tell, but these are black, but they kind of like fade into a red. Super cute. But they also sent them over in the, what are they called? The XXX ultra long instant acrylics. So they're the same, they're just longer. I really love these nails. I've talked about it on my Instagram. These are amazing if you are not getting your nails done at a salon right now. These are my favorite like press-on nails. I prefer the shorter ones, honestly, but if you like longer nails, these ones are really great as well. I also have a coupon code with them. It is an affiliate code, but if you guys were interested in trying them out, it's 20% off with the code Hailie20, and I will link their website in the description box below. And the last package we have is from Persona. I think I know what these are. I think these are the nail polishes they just launched, which I'm excited about. Oh my gosh, yay, it is. Okay, wait, this one is already my favorite. How cute is that lavender shade? Obsessed. These are so pretty. So I have 4 shades here, a cute little lavender. I will definitely be wearing that one first, I think. It's like really pale pink. Oh my god, the dogs just came in. Can you hear their breathing? This one's like a nude shade, and then a red. You can see my nails are plain and boring right now. So now I have all kinds of options. I could do these bad boys, I could paint them. I don't know what to do. Here's our cute jack-o'-lantern pizza for the night. It's a little wonky this year. I'm not gonna lie. He's looking a little it's a little stiff.
He's gonna look a little better once he heats up. He'll get some shape.
He'll be better. We also got some chocolate chip cookie dough. Why doesn't he want to focus?
We got some chocolate chip cookie dough.
What was this? $10 for both, or?
No, it was $15 for both.
Oh, okay, that's really good, because this pizza, like, look guys, it's a big ass pizza for the 2 of us.
No, like we're not gonna finish it.
No.
No.
Okay, look how beautiful our pizza came out. I mean, the eyes are a little scary. Like, the face is really, not really sure where it is, but good enough. Grandpa has his festive wine glass out. Except, what are you drinking?
B&B.
Oh, you're fancy?
Brandy and Benedictine. Call it candy in a bottle.
Excellent.
Kind of.
Oh no, it's better.
Let me try.
It's like
You're
normal.
saying it in Spanish?
Yeah,
I think my pronunciation is probably Italian, but...
First of all, the flavors hit my eyeballs. And now I have watery eyes. This tastes really good, actually.
It's not bad, right?
Yeah, this is good.
It does grow on you. You sip it, but it does grow on you.
Yeah, I kind of like that. All right, our first movie of the evening, Amityville Horror. I can't see you. Okay, we just finished Amityville Horror, and I had never seen it before. I did not like that at all. I was horrified.
It wasn't that. It really wasn't that bad. Like it was. I think that like the fucking Conjuring's scarier than that.
I don't like scary movies. I think like I can't do it.
Like on a scary level, that was like a 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
Yes.
No, I didn't like that. I didn't. No,
okay,
no,
we'll
no,
bump
no.
it up to like a 5.5.
A 6. I'm saying like a 6 or a 7, but I am scared at everything, so anyways, talk to you later. I cried, can you tell?
I didn't cry. I just look like this.